We often feel worried, restless, or unable to relax even when everything seems fine. Your mind and body may be trying to tell you something. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. We all experience anxiety from time to time, but when these feelings become frequent or overwhelming, they can begin to affect our daily lives. In today's video, we will look at some common signs of anxiety and share simple practical ways to cope with it. So let's get started. First, let's understand what anxiety really is. Anxiety is your body's natural response to stress or uncertainty. It can help you stay alert in some situations, but if it becomes constant or intense, it can interfere with work, relationships, sleep, and overall well being. So, why does anxiety happen? Let's look at some of the most common causes. Anxiety can have many causes. It may be triggered by work or study pressure, financial worries, relationship problems, health concerns, major life changes, lack of sleep, or excessive caffeine. Sometimes there isn't one clear cause. Now let's look at some common signs of anxiety that many people experience. You may notice one or more of these signs: constant worrying, feeling restless, racing thoughts, difficulty concentrating, trouble sleeping, fast heartbeat, sweating or trembling, feeling tense or irritable. Experiencing these symptoms occasionally doesn't always mean you have an anxiety disorder. But if they persist or interfere with daily life, it's a good idea to speak with a healthcare professional. While we can't always avoid the causes of anxiety, we can learn healthy ways to cope with it. Now that we understand what causes anxiety, let's explore a few simple techniques that may help you feel calmer. Coping tip number one is deep breathing. When anxiety starts to build, try taking slow, deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose, hold your breath for 4 seconds, then breathe out slowly through your mouth. This simple technique can help your body relax and may help reduce feelings of anxiety. Another helpful strategy is staying in the present. When we keep worrying, our mind usually goes into the future thinking, what if something bad happens? This exercise helps bring the mind back to the present moment. Instead of thinking about tomorrow, we focus on what is around us right now. Look around you and name 5 things you can see. For example, a chair, a sofa, a pen, a book, and a clock. 4 things you can touch, like your dress, the table, your phone, or the chair. 3 things you can hear, maybe birds chirping, a dog barking, or traffic outside. 2 things you can smell, perhaps coffee or flowers. 1 thing you can taste, maybe fruit juice, tea, or water. By focusing on your 5 senses, your brain shifts its attention away from anxious thoughts and back to the present. This can help you feel calmer and more in control. Tip number 3 is stay active. Regular physical activity can reduce stress and improve your mood. Even a 20 to 30-minute walk can make a positive difference. Tip number 4 is good sleep. Poor sleep can make anxiety feel worse. Try to keep a regular sleep schedule and reduce screen time before bed. Something else that makes a big difference is tip number 5: talk to someone. You don't have to handle anxiety alone. Sharing your feelings with a trusted friend, family member, or a mental health professional can be an important step toward feeling better. While these coping tips can be helpful, there are times when anxiety needs professional attention. So, when should you seek help? Feeling anxious occasionally is a normal part of life, but if anxiety starts affecting your daily life, it's important to seek professional help. You should consider talking to a healthcare professional If your anxiety lasts for several weeks and doesn't seem to improve, it begins to affect your work, studies, or relationships. You avoid everyday activities because of your anxiety. You experience frequent panic attacks. You feel overwhelmed or find it difficult to cope on your own. Remember, asking for help is not a sign of weakness, it's a positive step toward feeling better. With the right support and treatment, many people learn to manage anxiety and live healthy, fulfilling lives. Before we wrap up, I would love to hear from you. Which of these anxiety signs or coping tips did you relate to the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Happy Mind Healthy You for more health related videos. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.